Welcome back. All eyes will be on Ahmedabad today. Only few hours to go for the biggest cricketing spectacle of the year. India will take on New Zealand in what promises to be a blockbuster T20 World Cup final. With excitement building across the country, Times Now is on the ground in Ahmedabad, and our team spoke to singer Sukhbir Singh, who is set to perform at the closing ceremony, and also spoke with celebrated singer Falguni Pathak about the buzz surrounding the final. Have a look.
It does not get bigger than this. India versus New Zealand in the final of the T20 World Cup 2026. And where else will Times Now be? Right outside the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad for the big final. And this is where it all happens. Now, outside the stadium, this is match day -1, and jerseys, caps, everything that you can find is already here. People are getting ready for this big final. They want to be present inside this stadium. Huge numbers, over 1 lakh people in India, jerseys, singing the national anthem, cheering Team India. This is going to be massive for the Surya Kumar Yadav-led team in this World Cup. And we will, of course, speak to people here as well. You've seen the India flag as well. Hardik T-shirt. Sir, आपसे जानना चाहूंगी, आप यहाँ पर इतनी बिक्री करते हैं, जब लोग आते हैं तो सबसे ज्यादा जर्सीज किसकी मांगते हैं?
सबसे ज्यादा हार्दिक पांड्या मांगते हैं, अभिषेक मांगते हैं, बस इतने चलते हैं वो लोग। और संजू सैमसन भी मांगते हैं। संजू सैमसन भी मांगते हैं। लेकिन जब भी हम नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम के बाहर आते हैं तो हमें किसी की जर्सी दिखे ना दिखे, रोहित और विराट की तो जरूर दिखती है। सबसे ज्यादा वो भी चलती है, क्योंकि इसमें खेले या नहीं खेले, लेकिन युवराज और रोहित शर्मा की टी शर्ट ज्यादा चलती है। और एक बात बताइए, आप यहाँ पे ये टी शर्ट वगैरह भी देख रहे हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? क्या लगता है, इंडिया जीत रहा है संडे को? नहीं, 100% इंडिया जीतेगी अपनी। 100% India will win. Win, India win. India win is the message from the people here at the Narendra Modi Stadium. You can see they are getting ready, to make sure that the fans have all that they need, from flags to jerseys to caps, because it is extremely, extremely hot here in Ahmedabad. They have already started lining up for tickets as well, but we will show you that in a different story. But right now, like I was mentioning earlier, Virat jersey already here. Let's talk to this fan as well. Sir, I can see you in a Virat jersey. What is your message for the team? What do you think on Sunday? Will it be India?
Yes, India, of course.
And who is your favorite player in this team? Do you have a special message for them?
I hope Abhishek Sharma plays well in the final, because his bat has not worked yet.
Probably saving the best for the last.
Best for the last, yes.
So that is a message for Abhishek Sharma, saving the best for the last. More India fans here as well. So what would you want to say? It's a very important match. We've reached till the final, and now it all boils down to this match, this stadium right here.
यस अभिषेक का फिलहाल फॉर्म नहीं है, उम्मीद करता हूँ फाइनल में उनका फॉर्म आ जाए, और एक वरुण चक्रवर्ती का एक रिप्लेसमेंट होना चाहिए एटलीस्ट फाइनल में।
सर, वो तो चलो टीम डिसाइड करेंगी, बट एज अ फैन आपके कोई सुपरस्टिशंस हैं जो आप फॉलो करते हैं कि अगर टीम अच्छा खेल रही है तो मैं ऐसे ही रहूंगा, और अगर नहीं खेल रही है तो मैं कुछ करूंगा जिससे कि अच्छा खेले?
नहीं, मैं ऑलवेज सपोर्ट करूंगा, भारत जीते या हार जाए। एज अ फैन बोल के मैं ऐसा नहीं कि जीत में उनका सपोर्ट दे दूं। पिछली बार भारत हार गया, फिर भी मैं सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ।
Obviously, the support for Team India is always there. मैम, आपसे भी अगर मैं बात कर सकती हूँ, आपके कोई सुपरस्टिशंस हैं कि टीम इंडिया अच्छा करे?
वही हम चाहते हैं, और they be the winner.
हाँ जी। तो कोई स्पेशल मैसेज, if you have a favorite player, what would you want to say to them?
She supports Virat Kohli.
Oh, she supported Virat Kohli, but now he's not playing now in the game.
No, he's not. He's retired.
He's retired.
So a lot of Virat Kohli fans, of course, but hoping all the Virat Kohli fans can turn up for the Indian team, which is led by Surya Kumar Yadav right now. Sir, do you want to say something? It's a big match. The Indian team needs all the wishes that
इंडिया टीम जीते, और बहुत अच्छा लगेगा इंडिया जीतेगा तो। और हम भी विराट के
अहमदाबाद फिर सेलिब्रेट करेगा।
हाँ, हम तो अहमदाबाद मैच देखने के लिए आए हैं, कलकत्ता से।
Family has come down from Calcutta to watch the final, so the support is pouring in for Team India from across the country. What made you come specially from Calcutta to support Team India?
Obviously, Narendra Modi Stadium RCB won here last year.
Yeah.
And I hope that jinx is broke.
Jinx is broken because not very happy memories for the Indian team here in Ahmedabad. Every time the mind goes back to 2023 when we lost to Australia. But of course, this team has been playing very, very well. And India versus New Zealand is going to be a very, very competitive game here in Ahmedabad.